How to create a simple online store with dropshipping, a passive income guide for over 50s. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful way to earn passive income, especially if you're over 50 and looking to either retire early or reduce your physical workload. Whether you're doing manual labor or just want to bring in some extra cash without exhausting yourself, building an online business is an excellent option. Dropshipping is a simple and low-cost way to run an online store without needing to handle inventory or shipping. You don't need a warehouse, and you don't need to pack or ship products yourself. Your supplier takes care of all that. Today, I'll show you how to set up your very own dropshipping business step by step, even if you have no experience in e-commerce. Ready to get started? Now you might be wondering, what exactly is dropshipping, and how can it help me earn passive income? Let's break it down. With dropshipping, you sell products online, but instead of keeping stock or managing deliveries, you rely on a third-party supplier. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. It's hands-off, and you don't need a lot of upfront investment to get started. The first and most important step in creating a successful dropshipping store is choosing your niche. A niche is essentially the specific category of products that your store will focus on. Why is this important? Because focusing on a niche helps you target the right customers, making it easier to market and sell your products. One great tool to help you find a profitable niche is Google Trends. This allows you to see what people are searching for, which can guide you to choose products that are in high demand. You can also look at other successful stores and analyze what types of products are doing well. But how do you choose the right niche, especially if you're over 50? Consider products that appeal to your own interests or needs. For example, health-related items like supplements or exercise equipment are great for older adults. Home improvement tools or leisure products like gardening supplies or travel gear are also excellent options. The key is to find something you're passionate about or that fills a need in the market. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is setting up your online store. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. This part is easier than you might think. There are several e-commerce platforms that make creating your store simple, even for beginners. My top recommendation is Shopify, but other great options include WooCommerce, which works with WordPress, and BigCommerce. Shopify is particularly beginner-friendly because it offers drag-and-drop tools. This means you can customize your store without needing to learn any complicated coding. Plus, it has a lot of built-in apps that make dropshipping incredibly easy. Most platforms offer a free trial, so you can get a feel for how they work before committing to a plan. You can choose from hundreds of professional-looking templates to design your store. Customize it with your own logo and branding to make it unique. Remember, first impressions matter, so make sure your store looks appealing and is easy to navigate. Next, you'll need to find suppliers who will provide the products for your store. This is a critical step because your supplier is responsible for shipping products directly to your customers. The quality of your suppliers will directly impact your business. There are a few platforms that make finding dropshipping suppliers a breeze. Oberlo, AliExpress, and Spocket are some of the most popular. They offer millions of products, from clothing and electronics to home decor and fitness gear. One of the best things about these platforms is that they integrate directly with Shopify and other e-commerce platforms, making it easy to import products into your store. Before choosing a supplier, make sure to read their reviews and check their shipping times. This will ensure that your customers receive quality products in a timely manner. Look for suppliers with consistently high ratings and fast delivery options, as slow shipping can lead to unhappy customers. Once you've chosen your suppliers, it's time to add products to your store. This is one of the easiest parts of the process. Platforms like Oberlo allow you to import products directly from your supplier into your store with just a few clicks. You don't need to manually upload product photos or descriptions, as these can be pulled straight from the supplier's listing. However, it's important to customize your product descriptions to appeal to your audience. Don't just copy and paste what the supplier has written. Rewrite the description in a way that speaks to your customer's needs. Make sure to highlight the benefits of the product and use high-quality images to showcase it from different angles. When pricing your products, remember to factor in the cost of the item, shipping, and your desired profit margin. For example, if your supplier charges $10 for a product, you might sell it for $20. That $10 difference is your profit. Make sure your prices are competitive but also allow for a healthy margin. Now that your store is stocked with products, it's time to get customers. Marketing is the key to driving traffic to your store and making sales. The good news is, there are a variety of ways to market your store without breaking the bank. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are some of the best places to start. You can create social media pages for your store and start sharing your products organically. Posting in relevant Facebook groups or creating engaging content on Instagram can help you reach your target audience. If you have a little bit of money to invest, running paid ads on Facebook or Instagram is an excellent way to drive targeted traffic to your store. With Facebook ads, you can target people by age, interests, and location, making it easy to reach customers who are most likely to buy from you. For example, if you're selling fitness gear for older adults, you can target people aged 50 and above who are interested in health and wellness. One of the best parts about dropshipping is that much of the process can be automated, allowing you to run your business with minimal effort. Once your store is set up, you can use apps like Oberlo or de-essers to automatically forward orders to your supplier. This means when a customer makes a purchase, the app sends the order details directly to your supplier, who then ships the product to the customer. You don't have to lift a finger. These apps also track shipments and update your customers on delivery status, so you can focus on growing your business without worrying about logistics. Managing your store through these tools frees up your time, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of passive income. And that's how you can create a simple online store with dropshipping, even if you're over 50. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to earn passive income without having to deal with inventory, shipping, or the stress of a traditional business. It's low cost, low risk, and can be done from the comfort of your own home. If you're tired of physical labor, or simply want to bring in some extra cash, this could be the perfect solution.